Hey friends, hopefully you joined me last week in making these fun flowers. Ooh, look at all these cute little things. I love them. If you did not, go back, watch that one. It's super fun. Make sure you download your printable PDF to make all these flowers. All right, so for today, I'm going to show you how to use these flowers. I have a couple different ways for you to use them. I will have the links in the description, so make sure you like and subscribe, you get your downloadable PDF, and you watch this fun tutorial on what to do with the flowers. All right, I'll see you in there. Bye. Hey friends. All right, so I have for you today 3 ways to use all the beautiful flowers we made last week. So here are some that I have that I did. I keep them in this little folder that I made, which I am happy to show you how to make one of these as well. That would be kind of fun. So I keep all my cut things in here. All right, the first thing we're going to do is a basic tag. If you have a stamp and you can do to and from, that's probably easier than anything else, but otherwise I'm going to just write on here to and from, and then we're going to take our little flowers and decide how many we want. So I like to go through them and maybe choose kind of the same color scheme. So I kind of like these together. And then that'll give room for this and this. And it's fun like this. I like to add little leaves. So here I have some scrap paint paper left over from a class I did. And I'm just going to draw out some simple leaf shapes like that and cut those out. So the fun thing is, if you don't have leftover paint scraps, you can use scrapbook paper. I have a friend who did this because the scrapbook paper was not as heavy as the watercolor paper. So she drew the flower shapes and the leaf shapes on the scrapbook paper and put it on the outside of an envelope that she put in the mail. So there's a bonus for you of an idea for what you can use these for. Okay, so I have my art glitter glue that I love, and I'm going to put some, whoa, on the back. That was a lot. That really came out fast because, oh, that's nice. The tip came off. Okay. Whoops. Put that there. There's so much glue. I'm going to add this one here. I have glue. Oh, nice. Everywhere. Okay. Luckily, it dries quickly and it dries clear. That there. Spread that around. And the last little leaf. Okay, so there you have your first idea of how to use these. I'll just tie the little thing on here as well. Love it. All right, the second idea, this is pretty fun. I grow quite a few flowers in my yard, and I take these easy wooden bamboo skewers, and I add some glue. You can also use a glue gun for this. Put that there. And then I'm going to take this scrap of paper and cut it to the width of the flower. And put some more glue on top of that and on the side. And kind of bend it. And that will dry and stick. And look, is that so fun? You can add this. You can cut it down. They cut down real easily with scissors or flower pruners. So here I have some dahlias. And then what you can do is put a little message on the back, or just add it to that. And it is just the cutest little fun surprise with some flowers that you want to give someone. Super cute. All right, the last one we're going to do is I have cardstock that I got on Amazon. And I like this craft paper just because it's different and the colors kind of pop on it. And what I'm going to do is you can either write thank you or you can stamp whatever note you want to do. I have some stamps like this. And I'll just do it with this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to do a basic one. And I'm going to put the word hello. All right, so trying to get better at being in the habit of putting things away after I use them. So I like to go through. I like the 3 of these together. I might want a little bit. See if I can find a darker pink one in here that has that little bit of orange and stuff. I think I'm going to use these. I'll put that one in the middle. Then I'm going to take my paper and cut out 3 stems. Just straight lines, just like that. And we're going to have them go like this. So I'm going to put it up here like that. And like this. So that they overlap. So that is measured out. And I can always trim down at the bottom. So I'm going to put this up here a little bit more. So see, that'll lay like that. So what I'm going to do first is glue all the crisscross areas. Stick that all together. And then for something fun, I'm going to use some string. Super cute. Then I'm going to glue the flowers to the tip. Like this. And then as I lay it down, it's going to come into the letters. So I'm going to just trim that a little bit. Perfect. And then I'll add some glue to the back. Pick up that excess. There we go. Oh, look how cute. And there you have your card. Okay, because I thought it was so cute, I'm going to show you the envelope. So I have my piece of scrap paper, and I'm going to use a Sharpie. And don't forget, you can order the downloadable PDF of all the flowers. So you can do this at your own pace and at your own time. It's a lot of fun to do. It's on my website. I will link it down below. I'm going to just do an easy one. So this is pretty thick watercolor paper, and I don't know, you could probably use this. It's fine. But if you don't have these, or you just want to see how I do it on the scrap paper and you want something lighter on your envelope, we're just going to do it like this. So it's the 3 teardrops. And then this little guy. And then I'm going to take my S-Gel and do this. Just give him some lines for interest. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, and I want to mention, if you cut too much of that line that you've drawn, just come back with your Sharpie and outline it a little bit. So don't worry if you cut out that line. Okay, so that's going to go here. And I have this scrap paper, and I thought this green was pretty here, but I thought the gold was fun. So I'm going to use the gold and just cut this out for a stem. And maybe I can use this for the leaf shape. See, and I didn't outline that, and I think it would look better outlined, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that after I've cut it, even though, yes, it is much easier to do before you cut. Okay, so we're going to glue, and I'm going to glue the back of this. Like this. You know, it's just kind of the extra things that make it fun. I love it. How fun would this be to get in the mail? And then it's to, let's see, so I'll just put my name on here. And then you'd put your address. And then the return. And then you put your stamp here. And you're all set. And somebody's going to get that and go, okay, they took the extra time. How cute is this? And they might even cut it out and save it and use it for something else. All right, so I hope you are inspired to go make your own fun things. And where's my little tag? Here it is. And just know that taking time to create brings you joy. Come on back and I will show you more. It would have been cute too, huh? So like and subscribe. Make sure you check the links for all of the things I've used here and to get your downloadable PDF to make your own flowers. All right, I will see you next time.